Already have your learner's permit and ready to earn your license? This bundle gives you everything you need to get it done. A driving lesson and your official road test all in one package at the next street. Here's how it works. You'll start with a 2-hour lesson focused on real-world driving skills and test readiness, parking, traffic flow, turning, speed management, and defensive technique. Then, once your lesson is complete, we schedule your official Massachusetts road test right here at the next street location. An R&B examiner comes to us. You take the test in our dual-controlled vehicle. Our team manages all the logistics and all the paperwork. This is designed for adult new drivers who want to get their license in a calm, familiar setting rather than dealing with the RMV. No lines, no confusion, just show up ready to drive. To be eligible, you must have a valid Massachusetts learner's permit. Adults 18 and older have no mandatory waiting period once permit requirements are met. Teen students under 18 must have completed an RMV-approved full driver education program before scheduling a road test. All students testing at a next street location must complete at least one 2-hour lesson with us first, which is included in this bundle. You must complete your driving lesson before we can schedule your test date. Driving lessons are available 7 days a week, 8 a.m. to 9 p.m. Road test dates are confirmed when the RMV provides them to us, typically with about 1 week's notice. All scheduling is managed through our office. Simply email us at help@thenextstreet.com when you're ready to be added to our testing list. Note, RMV testing fees are not included and are paid directly to the RMV. The Next Street, the easiest road to your license.